Yes, sir. We got a Nissan Rogue to pick up. But I gotta get my. I was using the scanner today on a 7.3. It worked pretty good, but I messed up. I was supposed to check like it was one of my boys. I had to check if I had to turn it on and see how it was running, but I didn't do that. But I got some codes out of it. Anyways, we're getting this one. You know? All right. Bring this baby over here. Let me see what I could do with this one. I already took the picture. This car is going to Copart. I was talking to the guys on TikTok. One of my boys, he does lives every day, and we were talking about the prices and stuff, how much they pay, how much Copart pays to get these cars, which nobody talks about because it's actually kind of embarrassing. But right now, like I'm in zone 3, 25. What is it? $45. Come on, really? Nobody talks about it, but I'm gonna talk about it because I can. Because I work here all day. This is what I do every day. And the thing is that people don't understand that these trucks, they have the truck insurance here in Florida is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I pay $1,900 a month. A month. So in other words, they're taking half of my check. If you look at it that way, you know what I mean? It's crazy. Freaking insane. How they think that you can survive. Anyways, I'm thinking about stopping to do. I think I'm gonna keep the tow truck, but just to do content, I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure it out. Because I've been doing this for almost 4 years. Thank God I got other resources, you know what I mean? But you could imagine. You're good if you make five. All right, if you have a paid off truck and you make $500 a day, you're good. I would say you're good. But here in Copart, you're gonna make like a day close to. You're gonna make like 300 a day. You do the math. It's kind of crazy, right? You know, I keep on trying to stay. But now, because I have another business, you know what I mean? So I really don't gotta be doing this and freaking making Chuck change. My thing is that nobody talks about it. That's why they run us over, you know what I mean? And they can't charge, you know, I don't think they should be putting us like in other states. Because in other states they're paying for $1 million coverage. They're paying 1,000, what is it? They just said it right now, 1,200. 1,200. You know what I mean? Over here, you get $1 million thing. It's like, what is it? No, $1 million or $500,000 is $3,000 in insurance every month. $3,000. Can you imagine? That means you would make no money. You would make $0. You know what I mean? That one's a smart guy. He has not for hire. Everybody does their own tricks. Look at me rolling this up. Anyway, so we were talking the truth. We're talking the truth in this channel. Because I could care less. If you see my videos, you know I'm good. I don't need to lie to people because I'm trying to show off or something. You know what I mean? That's the difference that you're gonna get from me, from other people. That they be lying. You could be saying like, oh, I made 20. There's a guy. He's crazy. He says he makes $20,000 a day. Yeah, right. Show me the papers. That's what I say. I always say the truth. Like I don't need to front to nobody. That's why I'm always like, okay, I made this much. I made this much. You know what I mean? At least here in Orlando, you're not gonna make it. If you think you're gonna come work for Copart, you're not gonna make it. You could probably like live like regular, but don't think that you're gonna make enough that you're gonna be able to, you know, like live good. Not even good, because I live a little bit too crazy. I live a little bit different from other people. But Don't think that you're gonna come over. You're gonna be making millions of dollars. But then in other states, they tell me, oh, I make this much. The thing is that here in Florida, the community of tow truck is like super saturated. Mad people everywhere doing this. You know, if you know the right people, you could probably get off with making some money. But you know what? I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. You can't be doing this. It's not profitable. And I know a lot of people. If you see my social media, I know mad people. I know a lot of people. But nobody gives work. No, nobody wants to help nobody else. You know? Not me. When a couple years, well, like a year ago, I used to get a lot of calls, right? I would get calls and freaking people. I would pass it over. I would call my boys and they would do it, you know, because I couldn't do it. And I'll be like, yeah, hit me up with whatever, $15, $20. You know, hit me up with something because I pay for advertising, you know. So then I started doing that. And then one time, this guy called me and I was like, look, I can't do it. I'm not in the tow truck right now, but I got somebody that could do it. But, you know, I could give you his number. You could deal with him. He's like, all right. So then I gave him the number. Something happened between the communication because it wasn't even for him. It was for this girl that he was trying to fix his car for. It was a mess. My boy told me, he called me. I talked to him. I told him I was gonna pick up in the morning, and he gave me the number of the girl so I could talk to her or whatever. My videos are long because I'm on YouTube. You can make a movie here on YouTube. Plus, you can see what I'm doing. You can learn. So then he called her. He talked to her and everything. And then the next day, this guy calls me. He texted me. Oh, you're not right. Oh, you shouldn't do people like that. And I'm like, what's wrong with this guy? So then I found out. Then he texted me. He's like, oh, your boy didn't call her. Whatever. So I called up my boy. And then it wasn't even my boy. My boy texted me. He's like, look, dude, I called her. We're already set for the morning. But I told her I was going to pick it up at 11. And then he thought that, he said, I don't know what was wrong with that guy. Anyways, the guy started saying like, oh, I'm gonna mess up your Google account, blah, 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 blah. I was like, what? I'm like, dude, that guy is my boy. He's a really humble guy. The guy that I sent, you know what I mean? Yeah, he was like, oh, all this stuff. And I'm like, I called up my boy and everything. Anyways, the guy was like, oh, I'm gonna mess up your Google. I'm gonna fill it up with bad reviews. I'm like, dude, that's ridiculous. He was like a child, you know what I mean? He was really childish. So then I told him, I was like, yo, do whatever you gotta do. Whatever, but you know, this has nothing to do with me. I was just trying to help you out. Check this car inside. It's good. I was trying to help you out, and that guy has nothing to do with me. And then my boy sent me all the text messages of him and her back and forth. Just checking if it's 4x4. You never know. If that's a good space. I don't really like to keep it too far. It puts too much stress on the back, on the lift. But yeah, then he was like, my boy sent me all that. Then I texted him and I was like, look, you're over here talking all this smack, but look at this. And I sent him the text messages of my boy. You know, it was hilarious. And he was like, I blocked him. I didn't even give him a chance to talk to me. You know what I mean? Because he was like a follower from TikTok, I think it was. And I'm really known because he was like, oh, I'm going to talk crap about you on TikTok. I'm like, dude, do whatever you want to do. That's childish. Like, you do whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? That's the thing with people. Like, when you do something good, they don't give you props. Now, do a little bit wrong, and they'll be like, oh, I'm going to mess up your whole career, your whole business. I'm like, you know what I mean? What can you do? I just laughed at the guy and I was like, whatever. And then I learned a lesson that, because I'm really known in social media, so what I learned was like, take my Google ads and all that and put it under another company. You know, like you could put, what I did, I put, anyways, I don't even use it. I don't even promote it. So nobody could even put bad reviews on it. But I put towing services. You could put towing services, Orlando or whatever. And that could be your name, you know, but your business name stays in record, you know. But if they look me up by DA towing, they're not gonna find nothing because I already eliminated everything. That taught me that you can't put stuff like that, because that guy didn't have nothing to do with me, and the guy was wrong because my boy sent all the text messages, you know. Anyways, I'm talking crap. So look, they gave me work at 11. It's already 1:30. By the time I get back to the shop, I made $90, right? So what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, I'm already setting up. I already got my paperwork put together for my other business that I used to run. That was profitable enough, more than this, and I'm gonna start doing that. In the days that I don't have work, because it's pressure washing, right? I clean roofs, houses, and everything. You make good money, but it's not constant like this. Not as much as this, but I could do that and make up the money that I need to survive. You know what I mean? So I'll do that, and I'll come back to this. I'll go do that, I'll come back to this. You know what I mean? Yeah, that car is like really messed up. Look, that Toyota. It's an old school Corolla. Look. Damn. It's tripping. Anyway, so that's what's going on, man. I hate when people talk crap and then it's not reality. It's just not reality. You know what I mean? I'm trying to put you guys in here, but I'm just gonna shut it off. I already did that tow. This will be my last one. I'm gonna drop it off for them to. They don't even have work. To tell you the truth, not right now. And then they hired a whole bunch of people. You know what I mean? I'm like, why are you gonna hire all these people? And then your old school people have been there forever. That's why I always try to give them a break. You know what I mean? Like I always, you know, because I'm not dying for money. You know what I mean? So I'm like, I keep it there. You know what I mean? Trying to make it. But I don't know. God always has a plan for me. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to give it a break to see if it'll catch up, like everything else. But anyways, I'm out of here. On my way to Copa to drop these off, and then nothing. I'm gonna go to the yard. I have a radio I have to put on. I bought another radio because this one, the dial is messed up. When I go up, it kind of like stays there. You see? I'm trying to lower it, stays there. I gotta kind of like push it down, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyways, I'm out of here. Check it. A little driving. I'm gonna give you guys a little driving because I know this is how they do it on YouTube. I got videos like this, but anyways, let's head out. It's about that time. Man, this is like Point Siena. If you know, you know. Let's see, this guy's gonna let me go, no? Okay. If you know, you know. This is Point Siena area. Like up here, this is mad traffic everywhere. I'm gonna have to go down and then try to get in because it's hard. Put my mic over here. But yeah, Point Siena is, forget it, it's terrible. If I could cross that way, then I'll be good. But it's kind of difficult for that. But yeah, man, I was talking to my boys, you know. This crap ain't making sense. If you know the right people, you can get work, but like I said, like I'm not willing to pay $3,000 a month to get a couple cars. You know what I mean? I'd rather pay it in advertising. If you could invest $3,000, well, you know, if at least you can invest $1,000 a month on advertising, I think it'll push through. I think it'll push through. This is crazy. This traffic is berserk. There's like no way around it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably go all the way down, then turn. This is crazy. I hate Point Siena. That's why the houses are so cheap up here. I'm gonna have to go do a U-turn, but all the way up there. There's just no break. The traffic is crazy. Let's see how I can do this. Anyways, that's what's popping. I'm gonna see if on the weekends I could go like to some car shows and stuff. That's what I used to do before. Like I used to like to go to car shows and all that stuff. I got a nice car. I could probably take the car. I want to promote the business. You know what I mean? So maybe if I maybe I could put the car on the top of the truck, clean it up real nice, then take it. I'm gonna turn right here, baby. I think I got space. Yeah, I do got space. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'll drop these off and I'll go install a radio. Shouldn't be that hard. I think the plug in the back is the same. You know? I think the back plug is the same. So hopefully I could just, like take this apart. Maybe I don't even have to take this off. Maybe I can put the little things and pull it out. If you know, you know. This guy's messed up. This guy parked right there. This guy's right here. I'm blocking him. And there's mad traffic coming from down there. Yo, I hate coming up here. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go so you guys don't get bored. You know?